Hey guys, welcome to my video. Hope everyone's doing well. Today we're going to do a video on Harley Benton guitars ordered from Thomann in Germany. I'm in the Philippines and I've been ordering Harley Benton guitars from Thomann for about, what would you say, about a year now? Maybe a little more. Mm-hmm. This is probably, oh heck, I don't know, number 4 or 5 at least from Harley Benton guitars, that I've ordered from Thomann. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight on the process of ordering these guitars from the Philippines. I know when I first ordered the guitars, a Harley Benton guitar from Thomann, I looked all over YouTube and I couldn't find any videos on anyone that was making purchases from Thomann while residing in the Philippines. So anyways, this is kind of what you can expect to see when your package arrives from Thomann to the Philippines. Just keep in mind, all orders that you make at Thomann, you obviously have to do the conversion to euros, because that's how you need to submit payment to Thomann when you make your purchase. Now, with that being said, you have to watch out for customs in the Philippines, because customs will charge you a tax if the cost of your item, not to include your shipping, but the cost of the item exceeds 10,000 Philippine pesos. So you need to be careful when you're ordering from Thomann to not exceed that amount, unless if you don't want to pay any kind of customs taxes and fees. My number one question when I first did this was, well, does the shipping cost is the shipping cost included in the total in the cost of the item when it comes through customs? Meaning, what I'm trying to say is, is when you look at your invoice, is it the item and the shipping cost combined that customs looks at? No, they don't. They look at the cost of the guitar or whatever it is you're buying, not to include the shipping. So I hope I made that clear. Most of my orders have went over 10,000 pesos, but that's because of the shipping, because shipping is usually about $60 to $65 when you're ordering a guitar. It's just the cost, once again, just the cost of the guitar itself, or whatever it is you're ordering, not the shipping. Don't go over 10,000 unless you want to pay customs, taxes, and fees in the Philippines. Okay, so it gets to the Philippines, and the first thing it does, it goes from DHL releases it to Philpost. Philpost sends it into the customs to be inspected, and then after that it's released. And then Philpost takes it and brings it to the post office, where you will be picking up, or where you would pick up your items locally. Okay, so we just got this in today. You'll notice that they send your paperwork, your invoice, whatever. Looks like we had a little bit of damage done to the exterior box. Thomann sends your guitar out in 2 boxes. There's the box inside this one, and then this is the outermost cardboard box. So yeah, it looks like this one caught some damage on the way, which hopefully won't be a problem. The last one we ordered, the last guitar, that box was in terrible condition. I was really sweating, man. I was like, oh boy. And it was a Les Paul, it was a single cut Les Paul style guitar, which makes it even scarier. Because everybody knows that, like a Stratocaster, Telecaster, they can withstand quite a bit of punishment, but these Les Paul style guitars, not so much. Gotta be a little bit more careful with them. So, I don't know, can you see okay from where you're at over there?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, just trying to give you an idea. So this part doesn't differ much from anyone else in any other part of the world ordering Thomann guitars. Harley Benton, whatever. So we have quite a bit of paper padding. So All right. So there's the big box. Now we come to the guitar itself. You see okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You can see a Harley Benton.
Yes.
What we got here is a Harley Benton SC 450 Plus LD. LD stands for lemon drop.
Show that name on the side.
Okay.
You can there, and then there's a name on the side.
Yeah. HB 450 Plus.
Yeah.
So, is the purpose of this video of the unboxing of a Harley Benton 450 Plus lemon drop, or is it more of a video about ordering Harley Benton guitars from Thomann while living in the Philippines?
It's
I guess a little bit of both.
both.
So,
Giving some ideas to those who are staying here
yeah.
and
Now,
love to play guitars.
I transfer because I'm obviously from the United States originally. I transfer when I buy from Thomann. I transfer funds through TransferWise to Thomann. So I'm basically transferring USD to euros. I've never tried to transfer money from our Philippine bank, basically Philippine pesos to euros, but I know you can do it. Pretty sure you can. So,
So
this is the 450
pretty.
Plus, yeah.
Look at those two.
Oh yeah. Nice looking.
Close up.
Yep.
Yeah. He loves to have this kind of guitar. He
Oh.
asked me how many times.
Oh.
Which one you like?
So, as far as I can tell, I mean, I just pulled it out of the box, so obviously I haven't really given it a close-up inspection.
Mm.
But first glance, it looks good. I don't see any cracks, dings, or dents. And I ordered this on February 1st. February 1st or February 2nd?
Second.
Yeah, something like that. And I think it was shipped out of Germany around the 2nd. I want to say. Maybe I ordered it like the 1st of February. And then it shipped out on the 2nd. And it arrived yesterday on the 20th.
Here in Alaminos.
Here in Alaminos City, Pangasinan. But it actually got to the Philippines last week, about a week ago. So, you know, it went to the post office, went to customs, and then as it was getting ready to make its way up here, of course, we ran into the weekend, and nothing moves here on the weekends. So, here we are Wednesday afternoon. We could have picked it up. Well, we might have been able to pick it up yesterday.
But it's late already.
It was kind of late, so we just decided to grab it today. Mm-hmm. So after it reached the Philippines, we basically waited about 6 days until right now, until we have it in our hands. So, anyways, that's it. Harley Benton from Thomann Guitars in Germany, all the way to the Philippines. And we did not pay any customs tax on this guitar, as it came in under 10,000 pesos. Over 10 for the shipping, with the shipping I should say, but under 10 for the guitar itself, and that's what matters. So no shipping charge. And it's a lemon drop Harley Benton SC 450 Plus, and she's very, very pretty. So I'll do some string changing, get her tuned up. I need to check the relief on the neck, make sure, and then do the
Make some oiling.
do the fret rocker, make sure that we don't have any uneven frets. And yeah, as soon as I'm done with this video, I'll give it a closer look. Because right now, I'm under the assumption that everything is fine, but who knows? Maybe once we start looking a little bit closer, digging a little deeper, we might find something. Hopefully not, but yep, there she is. All her lemon drop glory. She'll look good in the guitar room here. Okay, guys, any questions? Drop them in the comment box below. The comment section, and I'll do my best to answer whatever questions you may have. But this is just to show you that yes, you residing in the Philippines can order guitars from Thomann, and you can order Harley Benton. So open up the market a little bit and get some competition coming over here, right?
Yeah.
Get some Harley Benton guitars in the Philippines.
Yes.
Okay, that being said, we're done, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.